Welcome back to Learn ICT in 50 minutes. I am Matthew Lee. Today I have invited Adams to help me to explain how to create charts using Microsoft Excel. Adams, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Matthew.
Okay, I have collected some data from an experiment and I used a line chart to describe the results. Adams, is it correct?
You can use line chart to describe data, and in this case, we go to Insert, and we go to find line chart and use here. We can create a line chart.
Okay, what's the problem with this chart?
Well, the problem is our data is not evenly distributed. Using a normal line chart cannot describe what is really happening.
Oh, what should be used?
Well, we should use another form, which is a scattered form. And we go to all charts and find scatter. Then here we have a form.
Adams, can you explain to us in details what are the differences between these two charts?
As our data is not evenly distributed, we can use a linear line to show the change on the experiment. As you can see, it is a line, not different points that just jointed by straight lines.
Oh, I see. The experiment data represents x and y coordinates on the chart. So we have to use scattered charts instead of line charts.
Yes.
Oh, thank you. Adams, recently I have lost a lot in trading stock market. Adams, can you tell me how to use Microsoft Excel to create stock charts so that I can trade and earn some money?
It is very easy to use Excel to make a chart to investigate the stock market. Same, we go to Insert and we click this one, and we go to All Chart. We can see there is one is called Stock, and as we have more data, we can use the volume, open, high, low, and close. Which of them means volume means 交易量, and open means 開市, and high mean the highest point on the day, 嗰日最高嘅點, low which means the lowest point on the day, 最低嗰一點, and close mean 收市嗰一點.
Oh, you explained this chart very clearly. Adams, I found that there are some white candles and some black candles in the chart.
Yup, as you can see, there's different white and black rectangles scattered above the blue lines. With the black one, meaning the opening is higher than the closing, while the white means the opening is lower than the closing.
Oh, so we can see that from the color of the candles, that is the rectangles, okay, which shows the relationship between the open index and the close index, right?
Yep.
Oh, and I see that there are two y-axes. Can you show me? Can you show us the meaning of these two y-axes?
Well, the y-axis on the left means that the volume, the 交易量, happened during the day, while the one on the right stand for how much the points of the stocks, which includes opening, closing, high, and low.
Oh, Adams, thank you very much. Now I know how to make stock charts and I can interpret the meaning of the candles. Thank you very much, Adams. Adams, do you hold any stock in the market?
I do not hold any stock in the market.
Oh, thank you very much, Adams. See you.